Welcome to Iceland, a land of natural wonders and breathtaking beauty. Feel the power of nature as you witness the majestic Gullfoss waterfall. Relax and rejuvenate in the geothermal waters of the famous Blue Lagoon. Explore the historic and geological wonders of Thingvellir National Park. Experience the magic of Seljalandsfoss waterfall, where you can walk behind the cascading water. Marvel at the stunning beauty of Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, filled with floating icebergs. Be amazed by the powerful cascade of Skogafoss waterfall, surrounded by lush greenery. Discover the vibrant capital city of Reykjavik, with its colorful houses and lively culture. Witness the mesmerizing dance of the Northern Lights, a truly unforgettable experience. Step into a magical world as you explore the stunning Skaftafell Ice Cave. Hike through the colorful landscapes of Landmannalaugar, a paradise for nature lovers.